Let's see how close it comes to genuine Harley.
Way up. That was the tallest one too. The other ones are way below.
I'm just looking at the angle change.
Oh, okay.
See, it's rotated quite a bit this way from what Harley was. See, I want to be in ground more. Well, maybe I get the angle I can see would help. Oh, actually, they're pretty close. It's a little bit more material on the very tip, but the inside looks like about the same curve.
Yeah.
So they actually duplicated pretty damn closely. Like I said, Harley,
Nice.
these are good arms. They have the factory shape to them, so we know if we duplicate close to the Harley, we're going to be pretty close. So we can use this one over here for the reference for the other arm now.
Sure.
If I can somehow figure out to mark the damn thing where I can actually see something.
Be helpful.
That was the problem we had before. Okay, so I'm going to take this one back off. This is one of those tight ones, isn't it? That one's done. Shut up.
It's enough.
Annoying.
Right.
Where did that lock up? It's weird. No reason for that to be locked. Bigger than stock size, I guess.
Right.
Alright, so there's our problem. I think this one had a finer tip on it. So I need to grind this one off to equalize what Harley is. Of course, yeah, absolutely no light.
Is that helpful?
Yeah, a little bit, yeah. Doesn't work very well. Alright, something there. It's very hard to tell. no grit on it. See, it wants to be ground on the inside edge. This whole top is cut away. So I'm going to try to duplicate that a little bit and see what we can do. Let's see, another arm to judgment call with. Gonna be a mess. All right. This time we're over here on the side we can kind of see with. Yeah, whether you can touch that. Oh, there it is. Looks like we're grinding slightly high, but it's pretty even compared to the stock arms. At least they got it halfway square. Warms up. And we got something to go by a little bit. A little bit of a curve.
Mm-hmm.
See the black mark's kind of semi-close. Might be too much on the inside, I'm not sure. We'll go try it out and see. Alright, there's what we got on our sweep. It's just the opposite of the other one, we're too low. So now we're going to beat the table down a little bit, so we'll grind the low spot. Because we got too much angle like this right now. That was a big move.
That was a big move.
Does that have to move up?
Who knows?
So now it's going to cut right here.
Mm-hmm.
Can't tell how far it's cutting though. I can barely see a mark right there.
Mm-hmm.
We're dragging, it's going to cut heavy on the top. It's a pretty big change. I don't know. Doesn't look too bad that way though. Look pretty even there.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, we'll leave it. Alright, how am I going to grind this now? It's always dark over here, I'm trying to see. Too much. Look at the curve, see? I'm going to leave it. I want to grind it some more, but I want to check the angle first. I want to keep taking material off and know if we're at the right spot.
Sure.
It's a weird shaped rocker arm. It's already leaving a mark. Or your palms. A little wider. Looks like we need more angle still. We're getting a good area though, surprisingly. See, it comes across. Rolls and then it starts to scrub right there. It scrubs.
Mm-hmm.
So about that high up, it starts to scrub. It'll probably come about that high, so about 300 thou. The angle looks pretty good. Just got to grind it more at that angle. It's better than I thought it would be on both.
Right.
So either I'm lucky or good, one to two. Can't be that lucky.
We'll take the latter.
I can't be that lucky. I'm working on it. Anyway.
Oh, that's not true.
Yeah, well. Okay, so table needs to go down a little bit deeper. I'm going to try to duplicate the same radius that I had. It's weird it took the ink off. I didn't even hit down here. Because that's a different angle on the very tip. That's weird. Not much buildup on the valve. Alright, well, back to grinding. Down more, but how much? Not that much. Let's see. Let me grind that thing. Not that much. Big cut. All right. So, if we ground too much on the inside, I guess. Or more like I don't have enough pressure in there yet to knock the ink off. It's weird. Picking up a little bit here and I was uneven or something. I think the ink is just not coming off. No way you can have
Yeah.
a groove going through it like that. The buildup is just thicker. See, it's coming across the whole thing now. All right. Rolls across. Start scrubbing about the same spot. Yeah, you're good 300 and something open, 350 at least. Full lift is about there. Yeah. All right. I think I want to work. Picked up a lot of area. So even though it's way shorter than it should be, it looks like it's close. So let's see how close it is to the other arm. This is the front head again. Front intake. It likes to rattle a lot. Completely different angles. That's because geometry is so different.
Mm-hmm.
When you bring it to where the actual valve is, I can move the damn thing. See how close it is now?
Mm-hmm.
But see over there, it looks like it's way the hell different.
Right.
When you actually bring it up to the same height,
Yeah, they should look pretty.
yeah, not too bad. It's a little bit higher here than the front, but no, it isn't. When you feel it, it's pretty even. Yeah.
Nice.
So that means whatever we're doing, eventually it looks pretty good. It's just starting looks like crap. So now, actually I have this arm here. I can actually take your other arm, stick it in here, and
Mirror that.
compare it, because it's going to be real short also. So it should be closer. Where's the other two arms at?
Let me get them.
It's not an arm, that's a whole head.
They're attached.
Probably tight too, right?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Oh, jeez. All right, give me a minute.